traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar, I still think this is going to end up continuing up. The question is it going to make a higher low, higher low, higher low, and continue up, or is it going to extend into more of like an expanding correction before it actually continues the uptrend? So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, the trend is definitely still down on the weekly. We have no break of structure. We have no reason at all to say that this move up is a complete trend reversal. There's a pretty good chance that this move up right here is part of the downtrend, and it's just going to keep on making lower lows, lower highs, and continue the downtrend. Going down to the daily time frame. So on the daily, we definitely do have a break of structure up, but this move up that we're currently seeing could very easily be a correction to this last move down. We are sitting at the 50% fib, so if we do get an impulsive move down, nice break of structure, I would probably switch it up and stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again, because it does look like this could end up continuing the downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we are sitting right at the 50%. We have CPI inflation data coming out today, so if this goes down and breaks structure and holds below structure, then I would say that this is the end of a correction right here, probably an A, B, C. And I would definitely get on the short train because it probably would at that point go down and take out the previous lows. I was thinking that it might even be like a wave 3, like a wave 4, and this now may be the wave 5. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we're sitting right at this 50% Fibonacci level. We have CPI inflation data coming out in the New York session today. If this goes up, especially if it goes up and like rejects these highs right here and then goes down and breaks like this, I think that would be a perfect setup for a possible end of a wave C and possibly the continuation of the downtrend. We have to remember that the trend is up technically on the medium time frames, like the 4 hour time frame, but on the very high time frames, the trend is definitely still down, which means that this may all just be a correction to the downtrend on the higher time frames. So if we do get a nice break and hold below structure, it's probably going to be the end of a correction and the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.